Staff and students must watch this video. It details what changes have been implemented to keep the college community safe. We all have a part to play in ensuring the safety of ourselves and others. The health and well-being of staff and students is our number one priority. We are following government guidelines and have produced a detailed risk assessment, which is published on the college website. There are 3 steps to staying safe. Wash hands regularly for at least 20 seconds. Practice social distancing and keep 2 meters apart where possible. In some areas, this will be 1 meter. Stay at home if you feel unwell or you have been alerted through the test and trace system. If you can, please consider cycling, driving, or walking to college. If you do have to use public transport, you will need to wear a mask. If you do not have a mask, you can use a scarf or bandana. It will need to be tied snugly behind the head, making sure the mouth and nose are covered. One-way systems are in place along with directional signage. In instances where routes may cross, please adhere to social distancing. The ID barriers will be kept open initially. If you are due to attend college, please remember to bring your ID card. Security will be present to ensure safeguarding practices are maintained. Start and finish times will be staggered to avoid large groups arriving and leaving at the same time. Staff and students will need to wear a mask or face covering in communal areas, including upon arrival, in reception, library, toilets, and breakout areas, except where exempt for medical reasons. Extra sinks and sanitizers have been installed to enable frequent hand washing and sanitizing. Please wash your hands before using the toilet, close the toilet lid before flushing, and wash your hands afterwards. For general hand washing, please use the extra sinks provided. Sharing of equipment will be restricted. Where equipment has to be shared, antiviral wipes will be provided. Spitting is strictly prohibited, as is handshaking and other forms of physical contact. Doors will be kept open where possible to avoid unnecessary touching of door handles. In addition to usual PPE practice, gloves will be provided and will need to be worn in workshops where safe to do so. Access to smoking shelters is not permitted. Staff and students are encouraged to bring in their own food. The refectory will be providing a limited grab-and-go service. Payment by card is preferred, and meal tokens will still be accepted. Break times will be staggered to avoid large groups. Where possible, use the outdoor seating areas. It's really important that we all adhere to the measures that have been put in place, which are there to help keep everyone safe. If you have any concerns or questions, please speak to your lecturer or manager.